The recent agitation in protest against the killing of 5 people during the firing by Assam police at Mukroh in West Jaintia Hills District had greatly impacted vendors at the local market in Nongpoh, Bhoi District. While some of them expressed grave concern over the day-to-day state of affairs in Meghalaya following the recent firing incident at Mukroh, others condemned the barbaric act meted out by the Assam police on the tribal population in the border village of the Jaintia Hills. At the same time, the vendors lamented over the loss they had suffered post the Mukroh incident, as perishable food items had gone to waste due to the closing of the local market. They had also urged upon the state government to resolve the entire border issue at the earliest, especially in all affected areas of the state.
Yau jongi hani po pamri nyai ni bun ki ba imja na kani ga yau kementa pat abaka ka turis kam ya chu ki kali kim don bathiet kamut ki so ki pai ki bangila dep thiet ki lap ut lut ki haban berat no te ka jingdu jongi ga de ga bakrau no ko wa ka jing shisha na benta kani ga jing jia ga bamenta na kaliang jongi ko kinong kan idon e ka jing sneu ma idon ga jing sneu lem Rai lada kayu lada ngi thang no iki kali ban yat pat kumni Shillong pito hati ka kamot ta yang ngi maki bade badan hade surap na benta ka ti ka thiet ka jongi ngimla chu bandi ban thiet kalong ka ai ba ta shisha na ka benta ka imlang sa lang jongi ru ma na benta ka ja ka jur mo mo ngi im jan na ka ni ka dukan rai benta dalada galong kumni ta kamut wat tangkaja rung imla kan yo kecinya ki kan jia kumni kan hadu sitayo kan pampor ta kamut galong ke ai si yang i bang kayo jongi ngimla su ban li mo gitu kimar ki bang la dep thiet kamut ngila du lut te dala kut nang tapat ngin yo bat na kin ban seng bandang biang long bangin thiet biang ikini ki so ki pai ki kaj mo ki badon tingim la sukin banyo lada menta ka jingdu ka long ka ba he temo ting imtip ba kan dia kumni tingi la thit lupa ikan ni la bu lupa sip lagi guri iso ngi la thit lupa de menta ka long kumni te ka ladu lut lani ki jing ya ki lani ki jing ya sho ya dan ngim kwa kan ba kan dia kumta kan long kumta petang ka bala adep ka nu ka jing dia ka jing long ka perthei ba gadon ke tu ka corona ro ngila du nong ang tu menta mar sedang kayau kala sedang sakini kita dalong katuro ngila sedang yang bandian kayau dalong nakaliang jongi so banong ba ngi kerpat banom yakhi gen mo banom penduk jah gen yang ngiru ki badon kane surop tiba im janang ni tatang kata ngi so ban kerpat ya ki seng halang mane ki sarkar mo kinom khang ki balej bawan mangiru nginom yat jang inom yat an kayo jongi